Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Bounty Killer paints for Labor Day. Dancehall veteran Bounty Killer continued his charitable efforts yesterday by donating 60 gallons of paint to the Kingston Public Hospital and the Victoria Jubilee Hospital to help renovate the institutions. The donation, which marks the DJ's annual Labor Day contribution, also saw sponsors and members of the corporate community giving back to the worthy cause, including hip-hop and dancehall artist Safari, who donated an air conditioning unit. Bounty Killer, real name Rodney Price, shared that giving back to the institutions is an initiative close to his heart.
My sentiment with the KPH and the Jubilee Hospital, I was born at Jubilee, and when I got shot at age 16, this is where my life was saved, at KPH. So, you know, I got a little sentimental attachment.
Chairperson for the Southeast Regional Health Authority, Wentworth Charles, expressed his gratitude for the initiative.
We really appreciate that, because without that type of private sector support, our task in providing health care would be very difficult. And so we want to express our thanks and our gratitude to Mr. Price and his support team for his continued commitment.
Last year, the dancehall veteran donated over 60 beds to the Kingston Public and Victoria Jubilee hospitals through his Bounty Killer Foundation. CoverGirl goes full spectrum. Beauty giant CoverGirl recently held the local launch for their full spectrum line of makeup, which features an entire makeup collection specifically inspired by and developed for women of color. Held at the Terra Nova Hotel in Kingston, the event saw beauty and makeup gurus witnessing beauty tutorials. Brand manager for CoverGirl Jamaica, Andrea Blake, shared details on the full spectrum line.
One of the stronger points of the line is that it actually has oil absorbing powders, and we have 20 shade ranges in the foundation, and most importantly, it was scientifically designed for women of color.
CoverGirl brand ambassador dancehall artist TIFA is appreciative of the new endorsement deal.
This partnership is iconic. I don't think there's ever been a Caribbean face to CoverGirl, and it's an international brand, so I'm really excited.
CEO of CoverGirl Jamaica record producer and artist Matthew Esker Thompson shared how the full spectrum line aims to diversify the makeup market.
CoverGirl in itself is a diverse brand in terms of the science behind the brand, the research that they really put into finding the undertones of different women. Foundation is non-transferable, just new technologies that help makeup to be that much more convenient.
Esco is still actively in music production as he recently released a new single, Popping Over Here, and has also signed a boy band group, One Squad. Now, Bond 25 filming resumed, and they are in Kingston. The filming of James Bond series is back on track. Early this week, the Bond 25 team was filming in Portland, but now the production has moved to Kingston, as last night eyewitnesses spotted the production team filming in the Kingston Harbour in what seems to be a high-speed water chase. Last week, E-Prime reported that Daniel Craig injured his ankle while running during a scene. He was flown to the US for treatment. In an update on Wednesday, the official Twitter account for Bond 25 released a statement that Daniel Craig will be undergoing minor ankle surgery and that the production, however, will continue while he is in rehabilitation. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.